Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna make emoji bracelets. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yes!
Awesome! Me too. Let's get into it. All right, let's look at all of our bracelet supplies. We have emoji beads. Wow, this one has a kissy face on it. Oh, and look, this one is a donut. That's so fun. We also have purple beads, pink beads, green beads, blue beads, and red beads. Should we count how many beads we have of the color purple?
Yes!
Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 purple beads, which means we also have 8 red beads, 8 blue beads, 8 green beads, and 8 pink beads.
Wow!
We also have rainbow colored strings. We have green, purple, blue, pink, and yellow.
Wow!
Awesome! I think it's time to make our first bracelet. Awesome! I think for my bracelet, I want my main color to be the color pink. So let's take the pink string, the pink beads, and let's pick out some pink emojis. Look! I found a unicorn. I'll use a unicorn bead, a donut bead. Look! This emoji's sticking his tongue out. The tongue is pink. Works for me. And I'll use another unicorn and another donut. Perfect. Let's get into it. All right, the first step is to measure our wrist. Make sure a parent helps you out with the scissors. Perfect. All right. First, I'm gonna put on a pink bead. Next, I'll do a unicorn. One more pink bead. A donut bead. Pink. And the tongue emoji bead. Now, I'm gonna repeat that. Would you look at that? I think I need some more beads. Let's add 2 heart eye emoji beads. Look! I finished my emoji bracelet.
Wow!
I love it! You should make an emoji bracelet too! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.